Hello, good morning students. Welcome to live study class. Students, in class UKG maths, our today's written work is counting, counting, in words words. So counting in words. Counting in में वर्ड शब्दों. So counting in words शब्दों में गिनती from 7171 to 8080. 7171 से 8080. So students, let's start our today's written work. शुरू करते हैं बच्चों अपना आज का written work. It's 7 1 71 S E V E N N N T Y 70 O N E 171 S E V E N T Y 70 O N E 171. Once more. 7 1 71 S E V E N T Y 70 O N E 171 S E V E N T Y 70 O N E 171. After 71, next number is 7 2 72 S E V E N T Y 70 T W O 2 72. S E V E N T Y 70. T W O 272. 7 2 72. S E V E N T Y 70. Y 70. T W O 272. S E V E N T Y 70. T W O 272. Next number is 7 3 73. S E V E N T Y 70. T H R E E 373. S S E V E N T Y 70. T H R E E 373. Once again, 7 3 73. S E V E N T Y 70. T H R E E 373. S E V E N T Y 70 T H R E E 373 7 4 74 S E V E N T Y 70 F O U R 474 S E V E N T Y 70 F O U R 474 7 7 4 74 7 4 74 S E V E N T Y 70 F O U R 474 S E V E N T Y 70 F O U R 474 7 5 75 S E V E N T Y 70 F I V E 575. S E V E N T Y 70. F I V E 575. 7 5 75. S E V E N T Y 70. F I V E 575. S E V E N T Y 70. F I V E 575. 7 6 76. S E V E N T Y 70. S I X 6 76. S E V E N T Y 70. S I X 6 76. 7 6 76. S E V E E N T Y 70. S I X 6 76. S E 70 S I X 6 76 7 7 77 S E V E N T Y 70 S E V E N 7 77 S E V E N T Y 70 S E V E N 7 77 7 7 7 7 77 S E V E N T Y 70 S E V E E N 7 77 S E V E N T Y 70 S E V E N 7 77 7 8 8 78 S E V E N T Y 70 E I G H T 878. S E V E N T Y 70. E I G H T 878. 7 8 78. S E V E N T Y 70. E I G H E I G H T 878. S E V E N T Y 70. E I G H T 878. 7 9 79. S E V E N T Y 70. N I N E 979. S E V E N T Y 70. N I N E 979. 7 9 79. S E V E N T Y 70. N I N E 979. T Y 70 N I N E 979 8 0 80 E I G H T Y 80 E I G H T Y 80 8 0 80 E I G H T Y 80 E I G H T Y 80. So student, now after complete counting from 7171 to 8018 words, it's your today's class UKG maths written work is complete. Now students, we will read this counting one time. So let's start the reading. 7171 SEVENTY 70 ONE 71 SEVENTY 70 ONE 71 7171 SEVENTY 70 ONE 71 SEVENTY 70 ONE 71 7272 7272 SEVENTY 70 TWO 72 SEVENTY 70 TWO 72 7272 SEVENTY 70 TWO 72 SEVENTY 70 TWO 72 7373 SEVENTY 70 THREE 373 SEVENTY 70 THREE 373 7373 SEVENTY 70 THREE 373 SEVENTY 70 THREE 373 7474 SEVENTY 70 FFOUR 74 SEVENTY 70 FOUR 74. 74. SEVE 74. SEVENTY 70. FOUR 74. SEVENTY 70. FOUR 74. 75 75 75. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5 75. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5 75. 75 75. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5 75. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5 75. 76 76. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6 76. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6 76. 76 76. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6 76. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6 76. 77 77. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 7 70. 7. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 7 70. 7. 77 77. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 7 70. 7. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 7 77. 78 78. SEVENTY 70. EIGST 8 78. SEVENTY 70. EIGST 8 78. 78 78. SEVENTY 70. EIGST 8 78. SEVENTY 70. EIGST 8 78. 79 79. SEVENTY 70. NINE 9 79. SEVENTY 70. NINE 9 79. 79 79. SEVENTY 70. NINE 9 79. SEVENTY 70. NINE 9 79. 80 80. EIGSTY 80. EIGSTY 80. 80 80. EIGSTY 80. EIGSTY 80. So students, after complete this 80, it's here It's here today's class UKG. Maths counting in word reading is complete from 7171 to 8080. So now students, it's your turn. You will take out your written work copy, sit with your parents at home and do practice to write this counting from 7171 to 8080 in words, and you will do practice to read this counting in numbers or in word and remember it also.